In this video, what I'm going to do for you is walk you through the application process to the MSc Academy step by step. As some of you may not know, our coaching academy has built a very special application process that not only allows our coaching team to make sure we connect and speak with every single new applicant, it also means that we can take the time to review the applicant's actual form and make sure that they are the right fit inside our academy. This not only ensures that the student is going to be the right fit inside our academy with our coaching team, it also makes sure that the student is making the right purchasing decision, that joining our program is the right step for them to make in their educational future. So firstly, before I take you through all of the application steps, also something I need to say to you is please take the time to read through our entire website. There is a huge amount of information about our training programs that you can review, and also make sure to have a look at the FAQs page. That also allows you to, have a look at all of the most frequently asked questions and also the answers behind them, which can help you learn a lot more about our company and our programs before you take the step to speak with us. So when you're ready, when you're finished reading through the website, all you need to do is click on the Contact Us button, which will take you to a contact form. Inside this contact form, all you need to do on this form is fill in your details with your email address, as well as where you are coming from in the world, so your country of residence. And then what that does is that allows our team to make sure we can contact you directly. With regards to any of your personal information, we also make sure that we do not use it for any marketing promotions, for any mailing lists, or giving your information out to any third parties. The only people that will be contacting you is myself or my coaching team. In reply to your request, what our team will make sure to do is send you a full extensive student proposal that gives you the entire breakdown of who we are, what we do, and how our training programs work. What that's going to do is allow you to learn a lot more about our training academy that is not on our website, as well as define a few questions that you may want to ask us. Should you be interested in pursuing this further, all you need to do is make sure that you can get back to us, and what we do is we organize a Skype session between yourself and our coaching team. What that allows us to do is take the time to answer any of your questions face-to-face over Skype, as well as be able to talk you through additional parts of the student proposal and the training process. This is also going to allow our coaching team to learn a bit more about you as a student, which is obviously going to help us in your application process as well. So once you are finished with this process and you have taken the time to speak with our team, all you'll need to do is go through a simple application process. What our team will do is make sure to send you an application form that you just need to fill in for us, that also allows us to learn a bit more about your aspirations and goals inside learning more about what we are going to be providing. This is going to be important because this is where our coaching team makes the decision of your application, whether you should be a student inside our academy or not. Should our team find that you are going to be a successful candidate for our programs, we will make sure to give you the feedback as well as take you through the last steps, which is just going to be the financial payment process. Lastly, what we're going to do is send you the payment options form as well as an invoice attached with the relevant payment options selected, allowing you to be able to pay for your program and gain full access. Once this is complete, it takes a few short processes of our team registering your student profile and giving you direct access to our online academy, as well as direct access to our coaching programs. Now, many of you might be thinking, why is it such an extensive process to actually join our academy? Well, most importantly, something that you need to know is that our academy only trains 150 students a year. So for us, we work one-on-one very, very closely with every single student. This effectively means we can't bring in every single person that might want to apply to our programs. It's also important to us that we can make sure you make a good fit with our coaching team. And then also, most importantly, that we're not going to be wasting your time. We want to make sure that we find people who are passionate about trading and investing, and people who really want to take their development to the next level. We're really not looking for people who are going to try and look for a get-rich-quick scheme or try and look for something that's going to be easy. Our training process is extensive, it is 12 months long, and it does take some serious character to get through the entire process. And that's something that our team has to make sure we review when we talk with you and we look through your application process. So in closing, like I said, it's a simple application process. All you need to do is get in contact with us and our team will take over the rest. But just in closing, now you know a bit more about our application process and what you should be expecting if you do want to apply to our programs or fill in a contact form. Please make sure to give us at least 24 to 48 hours to contact you back, as we do get a huge amount of submissions on a monthly basis into the Academy. But we will make sure to be in contact with you as soon as we possibly can, and then we'll take it forth from there. Cheers for now, everyone.